Masks! You've got to wear them. Thankfully, not everywhere these days. Now here's a classic that has been popular for several years now, the P30i by ResMed. Amazingly, we haven't done a review of this yet, so here's me to change that for you right now. Now, as you can see straight away, the P30i is a nasal pillow mask which has the tube elbow at the top of the head. So if you're a back sleeper, you could probably go and watch a different RespShop video right now. But all you side sleepers, keep watching, because we all know how helpful it is not to have to wrestle with your tubing as you switch from side to side in the night. The swivel elbow at the top of the head really will be a game changer if that's you. And for the handful of you that sleep on your stomach, this mask means that you won't have the tubing at the front of your face as it sinks into your pillow or your mattress, which is also a game changer. The elbow itself on the P30i has a quick release mechanism. This makes it great for cleaning, and if there are relief reasons for you needing to be mobile at night, I'm talking about going to the bathroom, then you can simply remove the elbow clip out and reattach it when you come back to bed. So there's no need to remove the mask altogether. Although if you want to, it is very easy to take it off and put it back on again without needing to adjust the Velcro at the back. The frame of the mask has concertina tubing to help it fit the contours of your face, and the tubing beside the face is covered in a soft fabric. This makes it a very comfortable fit, and the tubing shape means it curves away from your eyes as it goes to the pillows. The good news here is that the mask keeps your visual field completely free, which is great for TV watching or reading before you sleep, and it means, if you're like me, you can easily wear glasses at the same time. Most people find the mask to be comfortable, easy to adjust, and that it gives a good seal. But not everything about this mask is perfect, as you can imagine. There have been some complaints that the air rushing through the tube can sometimes sound louder with this style of mask as it moves through the tubing closer to your ears, although this is something that only a handful of users complain about. The headgear to hold the frame in place is made of soft fabric with Velcro. It's durable and can easily be removed from the frame for cleaning when required. At the front of the frame is a detachable pillow section. The pillows come in small, medium, and large sizes and can be switched out easily. If you get a standard fit kit, you get the standard size frame, the headgear, and pillows in small, medium, and large. If you get the small fit kit, you get the frame, the headgear, and the small and medium pillows only. Standard fit is right for most people, and you should use the biggest pillows that fit in your nose for the best seal. The bigger the pillows, the more gently the air enters your nostrils. No one wants small jets of air shooting up their nostrils and drying out their nose. Now, I've been talking about the P30i, but there is a smaller mask by ResMed on the market called the N30i, which has a nasal cradle fitting rather than a nasal pillow one. But the rest of the mask is the same, so you can switch out the pillows for the cradle if you decide to do that later, which is also helpful. And switching these options around couldn't have been made simpler. The pillows can easily clip out, and to put them back in again, simply line up the arrows on the side of the pillows with the arrow on the side of the frame. Only one side of each has arrows. The other side then goes in the way it naturally should. And this makes separating the pillows from the frame easy for changing sizes and for cleaning. And there is also an air vent at the front of the section, which can easily be removed for cleaning as well. The air vent on the P30i uses air dispersion technology, and that is for two reasons. The first is to reduce the noise output, which ResMed says can be up to an 80% reduction. And secondly, the dispersion helps avoid blasts of air coming from the mask. So if you don't want to shoot air at your partner while you sleep, then this is a helpful addition to the mask as well. And it saves you from any more midnight arguments. There are air vents at the elbow section at the top of the mask as well. If either the elbow or pillow vents get blocked, there can be some extra noise that comes from the mask. And you need to make sure that these vents are kept clear to allow CO2 from your exhalation to escape. All in all, the P30i is still to this day one of our best-selling and most popular CPAP masks, especially for those that sleep on their side or their stomach. It's quiet, comfortable, and easy to adjust and clean. Although just so we're clear, even though this is a ResMed mask, it's not compatible with the ResMed Air Mini. If you want to see if the P30i is the right mask for you, you can hop over to RespShop.com and get it under our mask back guarantee, which gives you full credit for any mask returned within 30 days, even if it's been opened. And this means you can test it out to make sure that it allows you to sleep tight. See you next time.